Hello there, welcome to the DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this short video, I want to show you how to download and install a UEFA TV application to your Android TV, especially if you don't have Google Play Store installed. So if you find the video helpful, you know what to do, like, subscribe, and share for more videos like this. Now, on my Android TV, I'm going to come over to my browser here. As you can see, I don't have Google Play Store anywhere, but I can use my browser. Any browser can work. It can be a Google browser, it can be a system browser, it can be Chrome, whatever browser you have, the process is still the same. Come over to your browser and just go ahead and type in the name of the application, which in this case is the UEFA application or the UEFA TV. I'm not going to type in a name, the whole name, because I already have what I want in the suggestion here. So if you look at the suggestion here, I want this UEFA TV app download. As you can see, as you type in all of this, you're going to see results that you can install the application. So here's the first option here, and this is what we're looking for. Now, I don't have Google Play Store installed, but I can still use the web version of Google Play Store on my Android TV by just clicking over here. And as you can see, I can come back here and I can just install the application straight away to my Android TV. So this option is the best option, but if for whatever reason this doesn't work, they can still install the application from other sources like third-party sources like this one, this up to down. This is one of my trusted third-party source to install applications. And if this doesn't work for you, you can just choose other options like the Aptoid. I don't really like Aptoid that much, but it can still work for most people. But for me, I'll prefer using the up to down to install this application. Another option is for you to go to the official website of UEFA, and I believe you're going to see a way to install the application from there. So you can choose any of these options, but the best and safest option is for you to use the web version of Google Play to install the application if it's available on the Google Play. As you can see, you can use this option, and the application has been installed to my Android TV, or it is currently downloading. As it's done downloading, it's going to be installed. And if I return home, if I go back home to my Android TV, I believe you're going to see the application has been installed to my Android TV, and here is it over here, UEFA TV application. So that's it, and it's how to install the application to your Android TV.